walking in my local community forest is really appreciated. I think the motherland gives us a lot of oxygen, everything. We just need to explore it. There's lots of energy here. I can feel. Touching the ground give me a lot of enrich my brain, stimulate my memories. Doesn't matter short term or long term. Morning, walking in the forest or just a local small community park. Unloading your negative thoughts. Come on with me. Let's touch this one. The wood or been cutting off for many years. So when you're touching the real wood, what are you thinking about? I saw some ants. Wake up, ant. Okay. You don't need to think too much. Just use your hand. Use your touching sense. Stimulate the nerve on your hand. Touching the grass feels so soothing. Nobody cares if you have a very nice feet shape or not. You just totally soak yourself and touch the wet grass. Enjoy, totally let them soak under the sunshine. Enjoy the touching, the sense, and the nature loving. Bare feet have a lot of benefit. For example, when you wear the shoes in the whole day, walking, or if you have a work job, you have to put your feet in the wet shoes for 8 hours, like nurses. Walking 12 hours, guess what? The fungi grow up. You feel itchy, and sometimes your feet just stay in the wet, dark shoes. I don't need the orthotics. I don't need the expensive shoes. The only thing I can feel is the nature accept me, not people. Sometimes we judge our feet by different angle. I don't judge myself anymore because the motherland, the nature mother accept me. I don't think it's ugly anymore. It stimulate my nerve end, and totally I feel refreshing. I strongly recommend that you can go to your local community. Grab your shoes, your bottle of water, and your friends, and you totally can soak in the nature. Relax in only 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.